Welcome to Practice English Easily, your daily dose of real life conversations. Are you ready? Let's go.
How do you feel today?
I feel pretty good, just a little tired.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I kept waking up in the middle of the night.
Do you often have trouble sleeping?
Sometimes, especially if I think too much before bed.
What do you do when you can't sleep?
I read a book or listen to calming music.
Do you believe in meditation?
Yes, I think it really helps calm the mind.
Have you ever tried yoga?
Yes, a few times. I enjoy the breathing exercises.
Do you take care of your health?
I try to. I drink lots of water and eat balanced meals.
Do you visit the doctor regularly?
Only when I feel unwell. I should go more often.
Have you ever been in the hospital?
Yes, once when I had a high fever.
Do you take any vitamins or supplements?
I take vitamin C sometimes.
Do you believe in home remedies?
Yes, my mom uses a lot of natural remedies.
How do you handle stress?
I talk to a friend or go for a walk alone.
Do you often feel anxious?
Sometimes, especially before an important event.
What cheers you up when you feel low?
Music and talking to someone I trust.
Who do you talk to when you feel sad?
Usually my best friend or my sister.
Do you enjoy being with people?
Yes, but I also enjoy spending time alone.
Are you more of an introvert or extrovert?
I think I'm somewhere in the middle.
Do you like going to parties?
Not really. I prefer small gatherings.
Have you ever hosted a party?
Yes, once for my birthday.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, especially if they are kind and easy to talk to.
What do you say when you meet someone for the first time?
Usually I smile and say, "Hi, I'm Jeet. Nice to meet you."
Do you travel a lot?
Not too much, but I try to travel once or twice a year.
What's the best trip you've ever taken?
A family road trip to the mountains.
Do you like traveling alone or with others?
I enjoy both, but with friends, it's more fun.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, a few times.
Do you prefer trains or flights?
Trains. They are more comfortable and scenic.
Do you like visiting new cities?
Yes, I love exploring new places and trying new food.
How do you plan your trips?
I make a list of places to see and I book hotels in advance.
Do you enjoy nature?
Very much. I like forests, rivers, and quiet hills.
Do you visit public places often?
Sometimes I go to parks, cafes, and the local library.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, especially for a new movie with friends.
Do you enjoy shopping in malls?
Occasionally, when I need something or want to window shop.
Do you use public transport?
Yes, buses and trains are convenient.
Do you ever get lost in a new place?
Yes, but I enjoy finding my way back.
Do you use maps on your phone?
All the time. It's very helpful.
Do you often eat outside?
Not very often, maybe once or twice a week.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a small place near my house that serves great Indian food.
Do you prefer spicy or mild food?
I like mildly spicy food.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, it feels relaxing.
Do you try new recipes?
Yes, especially on weekends.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I love chocolate and Indian desserts like gulab jamun.
Do you drink tea or coffee more often?
Tea in the morning, coffee in the evening.
How often do you clean your room?
Every weekend.
Are you an organized person?
I try to be, but not always.
Do you make a daily to do list?
Yes, it helps me stay focused.
Do you like reading the news?
Yes, especially current events and health tips.
Do you follow any sports?
Yes, I enjoy cricket and sometimes football.
Do you like watching live matches?
Yes, the energy is exciting.
Do you ever feel bored?
Sometimes, but I always find something to do.
What do you do when you feel bored?
I draw, write, or listen to music.
Do you keep a journal?
Yes, I write in it once or twice a week.
Do you set goals for yourself?
Yes, both short term and long term goals.
How do you stay motivated?
By reminding myself why I started.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, it makes me feel useful.
What's something you're proud of?
I'm proud of staying consistent with my learning.
What's something you want to improve?
I want to speak English more fluently.
Are you learning anything new now?
Yes, I'm learning how to edit videos.
What's your dream job?
A job that allows me to travel and be creative.
Do you believe in lifelong learning?
Absolutely. There's always something new to learn.
Do you enjoy these conversations?
Yes, they help me think and express better.
Do you want to practice again tomorrow?
Of course. Let's keep learning every day.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time on Practice English Easily. Bye for now.